So this is too fancy of an outfit for how warm it is right now, so I'm gonna get changed. Hello everyone, my name is Lydia, also known as Illustrata, and welcome to Scrapterpiece. So today was my very last day of class. Those of you who don't know, I am an art teacher for a homeschool co-op, which happens to be the one that I went to when I was in high school, and we just finished up at either 27 or 28 weeks. And so now, since we're done with class, I just want this video to be kind of resetting my house. I've been intending to do this since I got back from a little break from being home because I recently had surgery. I'll talk more about that in a little later video. But my house, if you can't tell from behind me, is an absolute wreck from dealing with like mental health stuff and also just being pretty busy and not being able to keep up on taking care of stuff. It's been kind of frustrating, so what better way to get it all done than in a video? First thing is, want to first of all clean up my room, especially because one of my next videos has to do a lot specifically with my closet. I also have a bunch of my kitchen to clear up, such as my kitchen table, my dishes, putting away food, all that jazz. And now, since I don't have to commute to class every week, I can put away all my art stuff, art supplies, sort out for next year when that's gonna happen, and kind of go from there. So, all right, yeah, let's get started with putting away clothes. I think that's a good starting point. We got YouTube to listen to while I'm cleaning, headphones to wear while I'm filming, and I'm probably gonna have to switch out a battery at some point, but we'll go from there. I also will clarify, I have my laundry basket as well that as I'm picking stuff up, just kind of tossing them in there. For those of you guys who saw my ceiling panel video, this is all the ones that have fallen off so far. Will I reattach them in this video? Probably not. Alright. That's it for clothes for now. Time for laundry. Okay, this kitchen table has been the bane of my existence. It's always messy. It's basically just where I set my stuff. So let's tackle it. is the sink that we're dealing with. Yay. Honestly, on the camera, it doesn't look as bad as it does in real life. But I'm gonna sort it out and then we'll start. Whoop-dee-doo. Yay. Ended up coming over and I ended up getting the rest of the dishes done while he was here. So I would say that's the kitchen finished. And I know what some of you guys might be saying. Are you gonna also get the art room organized? Not yet. That's for a different video. Well, I hope this encouraged you to clear up your space and for the sake of your mental health, but I hope you're all doing well. I hope you all have an artsy lovely day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.